Oh my gosh, hello and welcome to the first vlog in Germany. Maybe you saw the room makeover. If you didn't saw it, then I will put it down below so that you can see it too. I thought I'm starting a new vlog because today I'm getting a braces, a strong braces like that's still on my teeth. For like probably 2 years. I hope it's getting shorter. So the thing is, I'm 19 now. I know it's pretty late, but I still had braces, and then I got an accident with my longboard and I crushed with my teeth on the floor. And now my teeth all look like this. Yeah, and it's not cool and it's not fine, so I have to start again and yeah, just have to wait when it's straight, and it feels weird. Like, I can't believe that I'm getting a straight braces for like 2 years. And I remember when I had it off my braces after that, I feel so strange because it was so empty. Like, literally there was nothing on it, and I was like, that's so strange, and I can't believe that there will be like a braces. So I'm just going to that appointment and then I do nothing because I'm not sure how it hurts, like if it hurts that much. But I thought I'd just give you a vlog for like maybe a week or something. So yeah, I would say I really have to go because I'm very late, so see you later with new braces. Oh my gosh, that's so weird. That's so weird. Yeah, guys, oh my gosh, I have my braces and it's so weird, it's so strange. It sounds so weird, like how I'm talking. It's like I had some breakfast, my mom too, so we had breakfast together. What are you doing? Du bist gerade mitten auf der Straße, Mama. Holy guacamole. Was machst du? Oh my god. Okay, now we're on the right street. I just want to tell you that now it's getting dark. Woo! Tell you that we are going to IKEA and we're just looking around. So excited, Mom. You literally. Oh. Lampen und dann kommen die ganzen Kisten. So this is Shaggy, one of my dogs, and her leg is broken right there, so she can't walk that much. So my mom is just taking her, and it's so cute. Like, look at her, it's so sweet. Oh. So it is 8 p.m. It is dark outside, like almost dark, and I have a face mask. So just don't be confused that I have that in my face. But anyways, my teeth hurts. It hurts, yeah, but it's not that much. I just ate some ice cream and I put some ice on my lips so that it's always cold. Oh my gosh, I really forgot to tell you that my laptop broke down, so it's broken and I have to go to the Apple store and try to fix it so that they can fix it, but it's so annoying. I hope it's not that expensive. I hate it right now because my teeth hurt so much. I can't eat nothing. My laptop broke down, so it doesn't work anymore. Nice day. I would say see you tomorrow. We have like 2 p.m. right now. And I didn't said something, or I didn't said good morning or something because we went outside and worked in the garden a lot. And oh my gosh, my mom, she gave me a leather jacket that's so cool. It's like a very old one and I like it a lot. It's so pretty. Ja. Jetzt übertreibt das Feuer ein bisschen. Ja. morning, guys. It's the next day. No, it's not the next day. It's the second day. It's Monday. Yesterday I did a lot, but I didn't film it because I forgot it literally. But it is almost 8 a.m. My little dog Luna is here, and I have to wait for my dad because he's picking me up, and then I'm going to the gym because I have lots of back problems, so I have to work on it 3 times of the week. And then normally I'm going to the cafe and work on my videos, but right now my laptop is broken, it doesn't work anymore, so I just go home very quick and do it here, and then I have to go to the driver's class. Oh, and normally, yeah, it is school for all my friends and all the people and all the teenagers, you know, all the kids that live here, but I quit school because I'm 18 and I can choose what I want to do, so I choose that I don't want to go to school anymore, and I have to wait next year to start something else because I came here too late to do something new here, like to start something new. So that's the reason why I'm doing nothing literally. So I'm by my dad right now. I went to the drive practice, like to the car practice, you know. But yeah, my sister is right here. Hello. Yeah. So it's very exciting. I didn't saw her very, very well. Love you, sister. Pushing faster before the fire's gone. Would you know me? So I'm in the yoga studio right now by my mom. I'm not sure if I told you that, but my mom is a yoga teacher and she has her own yoga studio.
Oturduğumuz evi sattı, daha büyük bize ev aldılar.
Come here. We are in Mönchengladbach and my sister bought a new jacket for like 250 euro, but we picked it up from a girl, yeah, from Mönchengladbach, Gladbach, and now we are lost because we can't find our dad, but that's fine, that's okay.